This morning, Papermill Drive in West Knoxville is clear and back open after flooding forced it to shut down for hours.
Right, Katane joins us live in West Knoxville, where one business owner was especially affected by all this heavy rain. How's it looking this morning, Raya?
Guys, what a stark difference this morning versus the videos and the images of what we saw here at Papermill Drive just over 12 hours ago. This road was completely submerged in water, but take a look at this. It is totally fine, completely clear this morning. I also want to give you the latest numbers update. I just texted the assistant fire chief with the Knoxville Fire Department, Mark Wilbanks, who tells me these are just rough estimates of numbers, but they had no overnight calls. They did respond to about 6 flooded vehicles and 7 power line calls, but again, these are rough estimates. He says he won't have specific numbers until about 8 o'clock this morning. We do want to show you some of the images and videos of what this road looked like here yesterday. Take a look at just how extensive the flooding was. Cars and people trapped by the rising water. First responders tell us the area is known to be flood prone, so it is something that they're used to, but a business owner here says she has never seen it quite like this.
The highest that I've ever seen it come up, it came up to just before our sign up here. The whole road was underwater, and it was just kind of racing down. We saw a tree branch float past. It was pretty crazy.
All right, so things are back open this morning. The roads are cleared, but we do want to prepare you for another round of rain. As meteorologist Rebecca Sweet has been saying this morning, if you do see some flooding on the roads, please do not drive into that. Turn around, do not drown. And a request from the Knox County Emergency Management Team as well. If you see any downed trees or power lines, make sure you call 911 and alert the authorities about those. For now, ladies, I'll send things back to you.
All right, thanks so much. We appreciate it, Raya.